Summer is coming and I'm going to the streets. Why do my nails look so wretched? Salut tout le monde, bienvenue à l'épisode 2 of Leveling Up on a Budget. I'm trying to practice my French because I have a French exam coming up, so pray for me. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been here, well, welcome back. If you haven't already, of course, you know the drill. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell right next to it to be notified when I upload a new video. So, you know what they say, when you look good, you feel good. I've been trying to level up my look because I'm trying to, grow and attract the kind of energy that I want, and in order for me to do that, I have to look the part and feel the part. I haven't been feeling like that lately, you guys. I tried on some jeans today. If you watched the previous video, you know that I've been struggling with body insecurities and things like that, and oh my god, they never used to be tight. These jeans were never this tight. Oh my god, I can't even walk. My god, we need to do something. Anyway, we are doing something. It's just so wild. Oh, summer is coming. And I'm going to the streets, so I better be snatched. What? My goal is by the beginning of, maybe by my birthday, which is April 13th, those pants are loose, because I like the jeans. I'm not one of those people that like to always keep buying clothes, so I want them to fit me properly. So today what we are working on is my fingernails, you guys. My nails, every time I edit videos, I'm looking at my fingers and I'm like, why do my nails look so wretched? But the thing is that I'm always on a budget. I could go do my nails, by the way. The nail place is right here. I'm actually looking at it right now. But every time I go to do my fingernails, it's 30 bucks. Every time I go to do my toenails, it's 50 bucks. So think about that. That's how much it costs. I don't normally do my fingers, but I do my toes only in the summer because no one is seeing them during the winter. I'm always saving money anyway, but I found out a way in which I can save more money and still look fancy without breaking the bank. I got something from Amazon. If you watched my previous video, you already know. This is all these boxes here. I got a UV, well, it's a whole set. I already opened the box, but this is how it comes. This was in here. This is the UV light I'm excited to use. By the way, I'm not artistic at all. I don't know if you saw the video where I launched my journals when I was trying to do my nails for the photo shoot, and it turned out terrible. I'm kind of freaked out about how this is going to turn out. This is what is this? These are nail polishes. It comes with all these nail polishes. It's 8 colors. I'm going to leave a link to this in the description. I got it from Amazon. I don't know if I mentioned that. But if you want to get it for yourself after you see the work that I've done, then get it for yourself, honey. And then it also comes with these other 3. It's not nail polish. It's the coat, base, and whatever that I also need. A charger and instructions. I don't know what this is. This is something, I don't know what it is yet, but we'll find out. Last but not least, it has this pack of a nail file. You know, this thing that you put in between your fingers or toes, and some more stuff. I don't know what that is. That thing, yeah. Anyway, that's it. So this is nail gel cleaner. I was wondering what it was the whole time. But there is 2 kinds. There is this kind, and then there is the blue kind. What is the blue one? It's a remover pad too, so I guess this is all for removing. Now I have to watch a whole YouTube video of how to do this because you know my relationship with YouTube. Let's look at my nails right now. First things first, it says to cut my cuticles or push this back. So that's what we are going to do. There is a little gadget in here to do that. So basically I just have to push this back. I don't know if you can see. Like this, so that the gel does not flow over or start to get off in a messed up way. I put some oil just to make it easy to push this part back, which I managed to, and this is what my nails are looking like now. All my cuticles have been pushed back. I was watching a YouTube video, but I also found the instructions that are super easy to follow actually. So I clipped my nails, filed them. I need to buffer them. Apparently I didn't do that. Push back cuticles. Trim cuticles, which I have a lot of cuticles now. I need to trim my cuticles, dust my nails. Okay, I don't know how to cut back cuticles. That's going to be a term paper. This is all learning how to take care of myself, guys, on a budget. You know what it means to be on a budget? Oh my god, one of the reasons I miss home is how cheap all these services are. Hair, nails, you know, because now I gotta do this myself. Yet I could have paid someone who is so much better to do it, but it costs an arm and a leg. So I'm just rubbing this on my nail to clean it. As you can tell, I'm not a professional at this. It says to brush my nails, and this is how I'm doing it. I probably should be doing it like, you know, but I'm doing it like this. The bottles are quite small actually, you guys. This is not a big bottle of nail polish. Let me show you my... Hola! Let's compare all of them. Okay, look at the difference. This one is 15 milliliters and these are 5 milliliters. So this is 3 times bigger than this. As you can see, compared to regular gel, like regular nail polish, this is really tiny, but I guess for the price and everything all this comes with, it's worth it. What was I looking for? Next is to apply base coat. After the base coat, I put it under the UV light. Whoa! Did you see that? The light just came on automatically. I didn't expect that. Maybe, oh, okay. Even the timer is just going. I need to show you. So as soon as I put my hand under here, the light went on and the timer just started going. If I take it out, it went back to 0 like you just saw right now. Now I have to choose a color. I'm going to go with the darkest. This one, it's A351. This is the part I'm most worried for because I'm not so good at putting on nail polish. I'm going to insert a clip here. If you watched my launch video, I butchered the whole thing. The only difference with normal nail polish is that with normal nail polish, what you could do is when you go to the shower, you can wash off the side. However, this one is not the same. But the good thing about gel nail polish, apparently, I'm yet to find out, is that it doesn't dry unless you put it under UV light. So you're able to clean the sides as you go. I'm going to do one. Oh, did I just touch it? I'm going to do one hand on camera and then the other off camera because I cannot, especially doing my right hand, because my left hand is easy. I'm right-handed. I can do that, but on my left hand, it's very shaky. Done. We're putting it back under. You see how cool that is, and after that it gets off on its own. It looks like I have blue nail polish in there. Can you see? Check out what happens when it's done. This is the first coat. Now that I've put on the color, I do not like it, but we're still going to continue with it. Next coat. I have to clean right away if I put it under the UV light. The next step is to seal it so that it lasts longer, and that basically means just getting the nail polish and doing this at the top of it, just like how can I show you this? Just go over the nail like that. Yo, it's hard to show. Bro, it's not working. It's messing it up. Oh shit. Okay, I'm not gonna do that because they say like to finish it off, just seal the top. For the next nail, this one, I'll start with that part. That prevents it from lifting, but I feel like when I do that, I'm adding a heavier coat. I've done such a terrible job. These don't look as bad, you can see, but then look at these. Well, I tried out all the different colors. This nail looks very bad, particularly, but ain't nobody it looks bad, but whatever. I'm just going with the flow. The last part is to add this, what do they call it? Cuticle oil. So I don't know how to use this, but I'm guessing I do a little bit like that. Yo, this nail looks bad, but we move. I've tried. I put different colors on this one just to test out the different colors. But I didn't like this one at first. Now it's the one that I like. Of course, my left hand looks bad, but yeah, man. I had a workout class planned, but it was cancelled. So now I'm going to go buy some acetone because I hear it's what helps take this off so I can correct it. This color is now starting to grow on me. I'm loving it. Anyway, I have a bunch of things to do. Number one, buy the acetone. Number two, I need to write this list because I keep forgetting. Oh, my babies, my plants. Let me show you. You've seen this plant bloom, but I feel like there's no space in the pot, so it's not growing. All I see is dying leaves lately. So I'm going to buy a bigger pot for this. And as for my orchid, you guys, this orchid, I need to do something. Yeah, this might look a little dramatic, but I figured out a way to take this off without me going to buy acetone. Remember this? I showed you at the start. This green one that says nail cleaner, it's the one.
Merci. Alors, qu'est-ce que tu as fait hier? Vêtements. Qu'est-ce que tu...
I was on the phone with my friend, so you missed this whole part, but I used this, oh my god, I keep moving, nail gel cleaner that I showed you earlier and put foil on it. I'm supposed to soak it for, it's called pure alcohol soak off. I'm supposed to soak it for about 8 to 10 minutes. That's what we're doing here. And then everything will come off. I left this one on because it doesn't look bad. It is indeed the next day, and I finished my nails. I couldn't show you last night because, man, I had a very crazy, well, not crazy, I went to buy clothes and I didn't like how I looked in my body. I'm going through that a lot lately, where I look at myself in the mirror and I don't love myself. Anyway, I have an event tomorrow and I really need to get an outfit, but we'll figure that out later. This is what the nails look like. What do you guys think? I think I did a good job. For a first time, I think I did a good job. Bitch, you're doing a good job. Anyway, one thing I did do was get my new bigger pots so that I can repot these. Yo, you guys have watched this grow. And in this one, oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm doing something new. I'm starting to grow cherry tomatoes. They say that right now is the right time to start planting the seeds so that you can harvest in the summer. The whole of spring is a time for them to bloom. Right now I'm just going to change these pots and then grow my cherry tomatoes. I cannot wait to eat my own cherry tomatoes, you know? You know what I think about every time I repot my plants? The fact that they say that Africa is a third world continent and yet soil, earth is free. Here you have to go to the store and buy it. It just baffles my understanding up to now. I planted some cherry tomatoes as well. I hope they grow this summer and we harvest. Of course, I'll bring you along the journey. I kind of recorded a TikTok. I don't think it's that important for YouTube. Because there's nothing. I'm so I forgot that there's water at the bottom. That is wild. Anyway, as always, I hope you enjoyed this video, found it helpful. If you did, of course, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends because it helps this community grow. Do not forget to stay motivated, be patient, trust the process, and spread the love. I will see you in the next one. Bye.